Okay, now we're going to take apart this thing. Now there's a bunch of screws. Got two here, two here, two here, two here, two here. The little ones are number 10. Got those out. Now I've got to take these 4 in the front out. These on the front are 20s. Okay, carefully remove this, and then at the same time with your gloves on, this thing is greasy. Carefully remove this. If I can get it out. I'll get my pliers. There we go. Just don't turn it upside down, because what you'll do, these pins will fall out and then your gears will fall out. So keep everything together in one unit. Pry this thing apart. And let's say you need to put a new switch in. Okay. Just remember, black wire goes up. Up, 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 up. Okay. Your forward reverse comes out. Switch comes out. And this diode is the one that got hot and blew up. I mean, it seems like the unit's still going to work. Oh, I see. These wires here go to this little LED light down here. So really, if we wanted to, we could get rid of that if we just needed the unit to work. Alrighty. Oh boy. Trying to separate these two wires here. There we go. Oh, everything just melted together. Alright. Yeah, I've got to figure out where these things hook up so I can get rid of them. Wow, way bum. Yeah, these two wires hook in here. I mean, these wires must go on before the switch is completed, because I can't even see how the heck to even get over there to them. I'm just gonna probably just gonna clip them for now. I don't know. Ah, there we got them separated. Alrighty. Yep. That's got bare wires in there. Don't know if you can see that or not. Got some shiny copper wire right there, which means it did melt. Probably melted against this one. These two melted together, and yeah. Oh, I see. Got hot against this diode lead right here. I tell you what, just for the heck of it, we're just going to cut these two wires. We just won't have a light there anymore. I mean, it is nice having a light, but if we get the new switch and the wires and the light are there, that's great. If not, well, I guess they're still not going to have a light. Let me see if I can't do anything. Oh, you can see all that melted plastic down in there. This thing must really get hot. I guess from extended use is what it's all about. I think what I'm going to try to do just get my hot glue gun and just kind of smear a little rubber on there. I don't think there's any more breaks anywhere else. So let's just try that. The only thing I don't have is this diode, and I think that goes to the LED light. We're going to cut it out and see if it works without it. Well, I need to leave that in there till I get the new one. Alrighty, let's get this thing back together again. Back together again. There we go. Okay. Get this over here. Just pulled them out again. See if we can't. Got to put in our forward reverse switch. Then the battery thingy bopper. Okay, got that all in there. I've just disconnected that diode for now. Okay, got that. Oop, there we go. Alrighty. I mean, we can see if it'll work right now. Now that we got everything in place. Get me a... Wish I had a little battery. Nope, don't work. So I guess that diode has to be hooked up. Well, we'll wait for the new one. Okay. Well, that's all I can show you now. More later.